coconut oil for nails. Which woman doesn't want beautiful nails? Unfortunately, the combination of harsh environmental conditions, improper diet, and daily chores can make your nails look dull and lifeless. While your nails are made up of keratin, they contain high water content, which makes nails flexible and soft. A little shortage of water will affect your nails greatly, making them look dry and rough. Using coconut oil will ensure that your nails don't lose excessive water and continue to look great, and that's mainly because of the nutrients available in this oil. These nutrients will strengthen your nails and cuticles and add shine to your nails as well. 6 benefits of coconut oil for nails. There is actually a long list of benefits of coconut oil for nails, but here are some of the best reasons why you should make use of coconut oil. Below are 6 adorable benefits for nails you can enjoy from coconut oil, and how you can apply the coconut oil for specific purpose. 1. It treats nail fungus. Using coconut oil regularly will protect your nail from fungal infections. It contains antifungal acids that not only eliminate any nail fungus, but also moisturizes your skin and equip the nails with certain nutrients. What you need: get some extra virgin coconut oil, which you can buy from health foods stores. Also, get some oregano oil. Make sure to use oil only because the capsules aren't going to help. How to apply: mix 1 part of oregano oil to 5 parts of coconut oil. Use this ointment on your nails and massage gently. Be sure to use it on the areas where the nail meets your skin. You need to dilute oregano oil if you experience any burning sensation when applying it to your skin. Leave it on for several minutes until your skin absorbs the oil completely. Do it twice a day for a couple of weeks to see effects. 2. It helps with nail growth. Using coconut oil is a great way to help with nail growth because it contains all the nutrients required to keep your nails moisturized. It also strengthens your cuticles and cures hangnails. What you need: 1/4 cup of organic coconut oil, 4 drops of rosemary oil, and 1/4 cup of honey. How to apply: mix all ingredients together and put it in microwave for 20 seconds. Once warmed up, you need to soak your nails in this solution for 15 minutes. Do it at least once a week for stronger, healthier nails. 3. It moisturizes cuticle. Coconut oil for nails is a perfect choice not only because it cures infections but also because it helps keep your cuticle moisturized, which plays a big role in helping you have shinier, stronger, and healthier nails. It serves as a perfect remedy for ragged cuticles. Its emollient nature will help prevent your nails from becoming brittle. What you need: coconut oil. How to apply: just take a small amount of coconut oil and apply it directly on your ragged cuticles. Massage your cuticles gently and that's it. Doing this regularly will fix ragged, rough cuticles and even help soothe torn cuticles and painful hangnails. 4. It prevents hangnail. If your nails are constantly exposed to water, you will have to deal with painful hangnails at some time. A bad manicure may also result in hangnail. It is basically a small extra bit of your skin that you see coming out from the cuticles of your nails. This opening can provide bacteria or fungus with a chance to enter your skin and spread infection. Coconut oil will help resolve the issue in no time. What you need: coconut oil. How to apply: simply take some coconut oil and apply it on your cuticles. Be sure to massage your cuticles gently. Doing this regularly will strengthen the cuticle region of your nails and prevent hangnails. 5. It cures the ridges. You will end up developing ridges on your nails when there isn't enough moisture in your nails. Coconut oil helps because it has microbial properties that will go a long way in preventing and eliminating these ridges. What you need: coconut oil. How to apply: take some coconut oil and use it to massage your nails daily. Making this a routine will help you have strong, shiny, flawless nails. 6. It cures athlete's foot. Dealing with athlete's foot can be a painful experience. You don't have to deal with the pain anymore because coconut oil will make things right in no time. What you need: coconut oil. How to apply: start by washing your feet. Now, use a towel to dry your feet properly. Warm up some coconut oil and use it to massage your nails for 3 to 5 times a day. 7. More tips for caring your nails. While using coconut oil for nails works amazingly well, you can try some other tips to improve the overall beauty and health of your nails. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Be sure to keep your nails with good hygiene. Keep your nails short by trimming them regularly to minimize the risk of injury, and always cut your nails straight across and use a sharp scissor or clipper. And remember to round your nails after you cut them to ensure maximum strength. Don't remove the cuticle and stop biting your fingernails. Such habits are only going to damage your nail. Never use your nails to open pop cans or doing stuff like that. Soak your feet in warm salt water if your toenails are thick by mixing 1 teaspoon salt for each pint of water for 5 to 10 minutes. And select your shoes carefully and wear the ones that fit properly. Don't dig out ingrown toenails, especially if they are infected.